Take one color of your choice. I have taken magenta,
Okay.
any color, and then use all the dot art tools you have. Bring them on.
Okay.
Bring
Okay.
all the dot art tools you have,
Okay.
and let's practice the feeling of dotting. This is called
Okay.
dotting. So dip each one and make just random dots. So for example, I'm going to take the biggest one like this, and then
Okay. Okay.
yeah, just get a hang of it. One, two, three, four, five, six. Of course, the feeling on the paper and the canvas and the
Yeah,
sheet, it's
yeah, it's
all
different.
different. It's
Yeah,
different.
yeah.
And the mug, it's all different.
Yeah, different. Yeah.
Do this. Just
Okay.
take one by one. Take each
Okay.
tool you have, dotting tool you have, and then of course the tiny ones with the tool tip, right? Tip what we have
Uh-huh.
with. So we have
Okay.
to just do this, just random dots to get the feel of it.
Okay.
Use all the tools. Okay. So just fill up the whole paper. You can do random dots. You can do in sequence. Hold like that, and okay. And Lena, next class you can purchase all these tools, and then,
Okay.
yeah, I'll share with you, and then it'll be a nice.
Oh.
In my house, everywhere you see there will be some dotting happening, something which is created with dots. So this is like some. It's a big, huge metal thing I have, and then you can dip it in, and yeah. Just give me 1 minute. Getting a phone call.
Yeah. We can do with different colors also, right?
You can do with different colors also. You can do with different colors also. Just the whole idea is to get a hang of the colors and the feel of the dot art tools. Yeah. So just use different tools and just get a hang of it. Okay.
I did something like this.
Show me. Nice. Nice. Okay, just leave it aside somewhere far away to dry it. Dry it.
Yeah. Okay.
Now the next thing is the two options for you. One is the tree and the flowers what we did last week. Would you like to make
Okay.
that with the dot art tools, or you want something else?
Uh, Maybe something else can I do?
Yeah, yeah. So I will share one picture, and what you do?
Hmm.
Check your WhatsApp. Check your
Huh.
WhatsApp.
Okay.
Check your WhatsApp, and then We are going to make a simple Eiffel Tower with dot.
Okay.
Okay, so it is nothing but a simple A for apple, and then
Okay.
and it is also, if you observe, it is the blue sky and a little bit of the
Uh-huh.
fall colors.
Okay.
It is, the overall picture is like a fall color. So the
Uh,
sky is having uh, little bit of dots in this, and
mm.
first draw the Eiffel Tower,
Huh.
and other things you don't. Just ulta A. It is a ulta A, almost a with a bigger, thicker thing on the top.
This is done in the kitchen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now try to do the dots the way it is given in the picture here.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if you see and always dot dots, any art actually you start from the top and bottom, or from the
Okay.
center go outside. Otherwise, especially with direct color, you may end up smudging it.
Okay.
Yeah. So what you do, um, or the other option is you complete the A, let it dry, completely dry, and then wait for 1 to 2 hours, and then
Huh.
continue with the clouds and the sky.
Okay. Yeah.
The
So I can. Yeah, I can do a cloud also, right?
Yeah,
In the
yeah, yeah.
picture. Yeah.
This is just, see, any base, this thing I'm sharing, it is
Mm-hmm.
just to give a rough idea. Use your
Ah.
full creation. You're free. It's your creation.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Okay.
So I can do clouds or moon or
Yeah,
something like
yeah,
that.
yeah. Go ahead, go ahead, go ahead. Yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes. So Varsha, you're doing the Eiffel Tower first or the clouds first?
I'm doing the Eiffel Tower first.
You're doing the Eiffel Tower first. Okay.
Yeah.
So random red dots, orange dots, and yellow dots. And before you start any we have a rough idea, right? We are going to
Huh.
make this picture more or less similar to this. So you get
Huh.
already ready with your red, orange, and yellow color, and you also
Huh.
need the blue and green color. So keep all
Green.
these colors aside and be
Huh.
ready, and
Yeah.
then you can start off. Yeah. तुझं केवढं झालंय लीना दाखव.
हो, एक मिनिट हं.
हा. अरे वा, नाईस. अगं आणि ते सुमित सरांचं हे अटेंड केलीस का?
हा, अगं ना ते संडे तर थोडासा प्रॉब्लेमच होतो.
हा. मग एक काम करते मी, रीना मॅम आहेत तिथे कोऑर्डिनेटर,
अं,
त्यांना तुझा नंबर शेअर करते, मग ते तुला हेल्प करीन डायरेक्टली कसं
मी
करायचं.
काय होते माहितीये का, आता बघ उद्या परत वीकची एक एंट्रन्स एक्झाम आहे, सो
हा,
त्याला घेऊन जावं लागतंय.
नाही जमणार.
त्यामुळे मला असं टाइम मी हे करू शकत नाहीये, मी
नाही,
फिक्स नाही का त्यांच्या
understand. तर
हा,
मंडे टू फ्रायडे 9:30 वाजता रात्री जमणार का?
9:30 वाजता. बघा आज आम्ही ना ऍक्च्युली सोसायटीच्या कल्चरल कमिटी मध्ये आहे.
हा हा.
टुडे आय एम हॅव्हिंग अ मीटिंग एट 9 o'clock.
ओके. टुमॉरो.
असं टुमारो उद्या उद्या आहे मी.
मी काय म्हणते,
हं.
फुल इयर्सचा हा प्रोग्राम असतो आणि
हो
इवन
हो
इफ यू मॅनेज टू कम 2-3 टाइम्स अ वीक, तुला कम्प्लीट ट्रान्सफॉर्मेशन होणार. लोकांचे एक एक 1 वीकमध्ये डिफरन्स झाला आहे. आणि तुला म्हणजे लिटरली यू विल बी सरप्राइज्ड टू सी द हे.
चेंजेस.
हम्म.
मी त्यांचे बघितले व्हिडिओज, छान वाटले म्हणजे.
देवाचं नाव घेऊन ना, मी काय म्हणते, एनरोल करून घे आणि मार्ग आपोआप निघेल.
हा, ते तर आहेच.
हो ना. असं असं माझं माझं खूप ह्याच्यावर खूप विश्वास आहे माझा.
नाही, माझा पण आहे.
म्हणजे वन्स यू डिसाइड की नाही करना ही
करायचं.
यू जस्ट रजिस्टर एनरोल. आणि परवा मी लास्ट संडेला ट्रेकला जायचं होतं. सो मेनी पीपल आर यू, रेन रेन होगा, ये होगा. आय सेड नथिंग विल हॅपन, कम. वी रियली एन्जॉयड एंड इट वाज हेवन देयर ऑन टॉप ना. सो गुड, सो गुड. See what I did in 1 minute.
अरे वा. नाही.
I'll send this to my nephew now.
सध्या वेगच थोडस चाललंय, त्यामुळे ना मन हे नाहीये, ते तिथे कुठे काय असं. एकदा त्याचं झालं की मग आय एम फ्री.
करेक्ट, करेक्ट. आय ॲग्री, आय ॲग्री. पण ते बघ, ते हे होऊन ते होऊन ते इट विल टेक टिल ऑगस्ट. ऑगस्टपर्यंत होतं, मला माहिती आहे.
अच्छा 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 अच्छा. Admissions, because now tomorrow he is having a Saint Xavier this thing entrance,
हं.
Mumbai Saint Xavier's College.
हं, 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 हं. ವರ್ಷ ಒಂಚೂರು ತೋರಿಸಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಗಾಳಿ ಇದೆ.
ಗಾಳಿ ಇದೆ.
ಹಾ, ಹಾರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಓಕೆ.
ಹಾ, ನೋಡಿ ರೂಪ.
ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ತೋರಿಸಿ, ಪಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಓ ನೈಸ್, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಾಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ನೀವೀಗ ರೆಡ್, ಯೆಲ್ಲೋ,
ನಾನು ರೆಡ್, ಯೆಲ್ಲೋ ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಾರ್ಕ್ ಬ್ಲೂ.
ಡಾರ್ಕ್ ಬ್ಲೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ? ಓಕೆ,
ಡಾರ್ಕ್ ಬ್ಲೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಓಕೆ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ಗುಡ್, ದಟ್ಸ್ ಗುಡ್.
ಅದು ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಗಾಳಿ ಬೀಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಪೇಪರ್ ಹಾರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಕಲರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಸೊ ಕೈಗೆಲ್ಲ ಅದು
ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಪೇಪರ್ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಶೀಟ್ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
ಹ್ಮ್. ಅದು ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಗಾಳಿ ಈಗ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ.
जास्त आहे.
हम्म.
वेदला आता कुठल्या स्ट्रीमला जायचंय ग?
ह्युमॅनिटीज आता तो मास कम्युनिकेशन 12th त्यांनी ह्युमॅनिटीज घेऊन केलंय
अरे वाह, हाँ हाँ हाँ.
ISC board. Now he is looking for mass communication journalism.
Very
Means बघू आता कुठे काय जसं प्रत्येक कॉलेजमध्ये काहीतरी वेगवेगळे प्रोग्राम्स आहेत मास कम्युनिकेशन
बरोबर
जर्नलिझम
आहे.
असं काही
Yeah,
आता
there's
बघ
too many options and too many things which our generation didn't have, and
ऍक्च्युली
Yeah, we have lot of options, lot of
what
options,
about
lot of subjects.
या
so, हमारे जमाने में इंजीनियरिंग मेडिसिन नहीं तो कॉमर्स आर्ट्स चार ही थे बस खत्म.
actually and even now arts come in now they don't say arts they say humanities
Humanities, oh.
and so many things in that now means not only arts ka subject Ved had economics psychology political science it's
Political
everything
science. Yeah.
Hmm.
yeah
Nice, nice. And kids now, this generation, they also know कि इतने options है, क्या करना है, they know
ha
everything.
ha means we didn't even know कि वेद ने this इसका फॉर्म भरा है he want to go there also like मणिपाल का we didn't even thought
अच्छा, अच्छा.
नियर बाय जैसे नरसी मुंजी सिम्बायोसिस
हाँ.
ये दिस थिंग्स वी हैड मींस फॉर्म फिल किया था
हम्म.
बट he came to know from somewhere that this university is also good and he filled that form
That's good.
and he was through interview he got the seat.
Very nice, very nice.
So let's see now what happens.
Something good, very good will happen. And you see, most importantly, he knows very clear, clarity है ना.
Yeah, yeah, that clarity he has what he has to do like.
In fact, yes, just day before yesterday, I met somebody, and she was like, I was invited to give a talk on health and wellness and sound healing pe, and she's a baker, and she was invited to ladies did some cooking and all उसका ये करने के लिए assessment करने के लिए who's the winner. She was saying कि उसकी बेटी ने 2 साल engineering किया. But then she said कि I don't think I can do this.
Oh.
She said I don't want to do this. Now she's doing something else and she's very happy. 2 साल गए तो गए. At least बोला ना. Versus that he was.
Yeah.
Actually.
So
Actually, Ved was from 9th standard only. He was clear that he don't want to do science.
you don't want to do science. हाँ, हाँ, हाँ. ये क्लैरिटी वेरी इट्स मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट बाकी का तो फिर अपने आप गाड़ी आगे बढ़ जाती है.
Um,
At beautiful Yachanali Lake.
ನೀವೇ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವೇ
to the trunk संपला असेल then you move on to the branches, Lina.
हा थोडंसं राहिलं जस्ट.
And then each branch you take a different color.
ओके. ठीक. हे बघ हे ब्रांच केलं. हे ट्रंक.
ट्रंक छान झाली आहे. आता you take colorful pencils or sketch pens and each the branch you make with a different color.
ओके.
ವರ್ಷ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತೋರಿಸಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಗಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ ನೈಸ್ ನೈಸ್. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕ್ಲೋಸಪ್ ತೋರಿಸಿ ಎ. ಓಕೆ ಗುಡ್. you made sure ಅಂದರೆ you're taking care ki the dots are not touching. That's very good. Because ಡಾಟ್ ಆರ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಟಚ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಮೇನ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸ್ಮಜ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗೇ ಕಾಣೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಬಟ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಲೇಟರ್ ಡೂ ಸಮ್ ಟಚ್ ಅಪ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡೂ ದ ಚೇಂಜಸ್. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ಜನರಲ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಮೇನ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾಡಿ.
रुपा डॉट एकमेकांना हे होता का म्हणे थोडंसं वाईट दिसलं पाहिजे.
हा थोडंसं गॅप. तुला एवढा फरक पडत नाही. यू आर डुईंग विथ अ स्केच पेन अँड पेन्सिल्स राईट. बट द actual colors then you should make sure. ಆ ವರ್ಷ ನೀವೇನೋ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ.
ಅದೇ ಪೇಪರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಮಜ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸಾರಿ ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೆ.
ಪೇಪರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ದಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್. And in between you also do bit of your fingers exercises because ತುಂಬಾ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಈ ತರ. And just put your fingers like this. Put your fingers like this and press. And do this. All right. So what time your daughter will be back?
She'll be back in some time. ನಾನು ಅದೇ ಇನ್ನೊಂಚೂರು ಅಡ್ಗೆನೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. I'll go in some time.
Okay. No problem.
ಅವಳು ಇನ್ನು LKG ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಸೊ ಶೀಲ್ ಬಿ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸೂನ್.
ಬೇಗ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಬೇಗ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಶೀಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಲೇಟ್.
How old is your daughter?
She is 4.5.
Oh, nice. Very nice. ಮಗಳಿಗೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ಬೇಕಾ ಅಥವಾ ಬಸ್ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, my husband will go.
ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ ಓಕೆ.
Husband will go and pick up.
ನೈಸ್.
ಸೊ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಇಂದಾನೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಡ್ಯೂಟಿನ.
ಹೌದೌದು. ಸರ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ.
ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನಾನು ಯೋಗ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ದಾಗಿಂದ ಸೊ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರೇ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ.
ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಸೊ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಮುಂಚೆ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ 11:30, ಈಗ 11 o'clockಗೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಇದಾಗಿದೆ. ಮುಂಚೆ 11:30 to 12:30 ಇರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು ವೀಕ್ 3 days. ಸೊ ಈಗ 11 o'clock ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಸೊ 1 year, since 1 year I've again started back with yoga.
ದಟ್ಸ್ ಗುಡ್. ಏನೋ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಯೋಗ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ವಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು.
ಹೌದು.
And I was always so busy with my career, husband, son, and Raju used to travel a lot, and ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಆಚೆ ಈಚೆ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಇದು ಆಯಿತು, ನೆಗ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಯಿತು. And then I was on medication, and that's when I said, no, I reflected. I said, first is you take care of yourself, and then only
ಹೌದು, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.
that's an investment, 1 hour to 1.5 hours per day. Invest.
That is true.
ದೀಪ ಮನೆ ನಿಮ್ಮನೆ ಹತ್ರನಾ?
ದೀಪ ಮನೆ ಹತ್ರ ಒಂದ್ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಬೇಗೂರು. ಸೊ ನಂದ್ ದೇವ್ ಚಿಕ್ಕನಹಳ್ಳಿ ಅನ್ನಲ್ವಾ, ಸೊ ಒಂದ್ 15-20 minutes. ನಾನು ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರ ಮನೆಗೆ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ, ಬಟ್ ನಾವ್ ಯೂಶ್ವಲಿ ಅದೇ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ ಮೀಟಪ್ಸ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಹೌದು, ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನಾವು ಒಂದ್ ಮೀಟಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಬನರ್ಘಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋರೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದ್ ಮೀಟಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು.
ನಾನು ಈ ವೀಕೆಂಡ್ ಆಚೆ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ವೀಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಒಂದು ಮೀನಾ ಮತ್ತೆ ನನಗೆ ಇದು ತುಂಬಾ ಹೋಗೋದಿತ್ತು ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ. ಒಂದ್ಸಲಿ ಪಬ್ಗೆ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ. I don't drink and I don't dance, but I wanted to go and experience. But I'm traveling, so I cannot make it.
ಅದೇ I'm attending, ನೋಡೋಣ ಅದೇ.
Where you are going, is it? ನನ್ನ ಮಗನಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ, ಯಾರು ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವನು ಅಮ್ಮ ಅಂತ.
ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನಾವು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆನೇ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು, ಮಕ್ಳ ಜೊತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ವಿತ್ ಸನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದೇರ್ ಓನ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್.
ಊರಿಗೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಊಟಕ್ಕಂತ ಹೋಗಿದ್ವಿ, ಬಟ್ actually I want to experience the dancing in the pub.
ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, I'm not sure. ಅದೇ ಇವ್ರು ಪ್ರಿಯಾ ಅವ್ರು ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್. ಪ್ರಿಯಾ ಅವ್ರು ವೋಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರ, ನಾನ್ ನೋಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಇದು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಂತೂ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂಥರ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಎದ್ದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ
ಮೆಸೇಜಸ್.
ಹೌದು. ಸೊ ನಮ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಹೊಟ್ಟೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ.
You made the mug for different surfaces at different paints. Because see, on the mug it has to be there, right? If you wash it, ಹೊಟ್ಟೋಗ್ಬಾರ್ದಲ್ವಾ?
ಅದೇ
ಮಲ್ಟಿ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಪೇಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. once we are there, and I'll share you the link.
that is why actually yesterday I did. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದೇ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡೆ, ಅದು ಪೇಂಟ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ ಹೊಟ್ಟೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತಾ ಏನೋ ಅಂತ. ವಾಶ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ
ಹೊಟ್ಟೋಗುತ್ತೆ, because it has to stick to that surface, right? So there are different ಬೇರೆ ಅದು that paint is different.
Okay.
ಕಳಿಸ್ತೇನೆ.
ಹೇಗೋ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ I just tried yesterday.
It's all right to just have fun and practice, and now everywhere you will see colors, and your mind will be like, now what can I do with this, and ಆ ಥರ start ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. It's a nice ನನಗೆ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಶುಭಾ ಪುಂಜ ಯಾರಂತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮ ಅಮ್ಮ ವಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತಾ
ಹೌದಾ? Okay.
ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವಾಚ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಅಂದರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೊಗ್ಗಿನ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಅದೇ ಫೇಮಸ್, ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಲು, ಬಟ್ ಅದೇ ಅಷ್ಟು ಫೇಮಸ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅವಳು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಶ್ರೀ ಅಂಡ್ ರಾಧಿಕಾ ಪಂಡಿತ್ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ,
ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ
ಆಕ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್. ಹಾ, ಸೊ ಇಬ್ರು ದೇ ಕೇಮ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಮೂವಿ ಮೂಲಕ.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ
ಬಟ್ ಅದೇ ರಾಧಿಕಾ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಇವಳು ಅಷ್ಟು ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ.
ಮನೇಲಿ 2 ಲೇನ್ ಹಿಂದೆ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಕೀಪ್ ಸೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಹರ್ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಶೀಸ್ ಅ ಪೆಟ್ ಲವರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾಯಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಊಟ ಹಾಕೋದು ಎಲ್ಲ
ಶಿ
ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ.
ಸ್ಟೇಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಬೈ ಆರ್?
And just 2 lane walking ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತಾ I've seen her so many times, but I didn't know. Then my mama recognized it.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ. ಹೌದಾ?
And
ಶಿ ಸ್ಟೇಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ.
ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಂದು 6th ಅಲ್ವಾ, 8th ಮೇನಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರ ಮನೆ,
ಓಕೆ. ಹರ್ ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ.
ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅಮ್ಮ ಬಾರೆ ಮನೆಗೆ ಅಂತ ಕರೆದಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಪಾಪ ಬಂದ್ರು. ಸೊ
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ. ಅದೇ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ. ಸುಮಾರು ಜನ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟಿವಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡೋರು ಅಥವಾ ಸಿನಿಮಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡೋರು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ದಿಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ದೇ ವುಡ್ ಬೀನ್ ದೇರ್ ಅಂತ.
ಝೂರಿಕಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಒಂದು ಮಜಾ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ನನ್ನ ಮನೆ ಹತ್ರನೇ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಶಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ನಾನಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇನ್ ಡೋರಿಂದ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಒಂದು ಇಂಡಿಯನ್, ಇವ್ರು ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರಪ್ಪ ಇವನು ಅಂತ ಹಿಂಗಂತ ನನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕ ನೋಡ್ದೆ. ಅವನು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ದ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರಭುದೇವ. ಸೊ ಬಡೆ
ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಕಲಿಬೋದಿತ್ತಾ?
ನನಗೆ ಮೂವೀಸ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟು ನನ್ನ ನಾಟ್ ಸೊ ಇದು.
ಸೊ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ ಫೋಟೋ ಹಾಕಿದ್ ನೋಡಿ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಿ ಏನೋ ಬಂದಿದಾರೇನೋ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡೆ, ಸಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ಹೀಲಿಂಗ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್.
ದೆನ್ ಮನೆಗೆ ನಾನು ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಕೊಡೋಲ್ಲ ಕನ್ಸಲ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಇನ್ ಜನರಲ್.
ಓಕೆ.
All my consultation happens online only. And then she was saying yes, she wants to start anta.
Okay.
Because see, every line, whether it is a nursery teacher or anybody, there's so much stress and pressure.
ಈ ಒಂಥರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಲೈಫ್.
Hi Nina, how are you? Where? Yeah, I shared the link individually. Just check. Okay. Already started. Yes. Yeah.
ಇನ್ನು ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗೋರು ಇದಾರಾ?
ಬರಬೇಕು ಅವ್ರು.
ಅದೇ ನಂದು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ಇಂದ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕಾರ್ ಡ್ರೈವಿಂಗ್ ಲೆಸನ್ ಸೆಷನ್ಸ್.
ನೈಸ್.
ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೇನೆ ನನ್ಗೆ 2 hours ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
ನೀವು ಬನ್ನಿ, ಎಷ್ಟಾಗತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟು, ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದು ನೀವು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಫ್ರೀ ಆದಾಗ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಆಯ್ತಾ?
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಲೈಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಐ ನೀಡ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ.
ಹಂಗೆ ಅದ್ರ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್.
ಸೊ ನಾನು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿ 1 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಹಂಗೆ ಇದೆ. ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ವರ್ಷ ಆದ್ರೂ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಇಟ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ಗೋಲ್ ಅಂತ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
ಗುಡ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್.
ಅದೇ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ.
Don't worry, first few paintings ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ it becomes, and then
ಸ್ಮಜ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ.
the more you practice, then it will become like a natural ಇದು. Also see, in between you need orange, right? Varsha?
ಆರೆಂಜ್.
I want you to Google and type and say which colors to mix to get orange. Madi, and then it is red and yellow. So like that, any color you
Okay.
want, you just type which colors to make to get this color, Anta, then you'll get.
Okay.
Yeah. Hi Nina, are you there? Still logging in. Hi Nina, can you unmute and come on the video?
Yeah.
Right. Go to your WhatsApp message. I shared one picture. So we are going to make Eiffel Tower today. And
Oh,
you got all the tools and the colors with you.
yes, I got it.
You got everything. That's good. And meet Leena. Leena is from Mumbai. And meet Varsha. Varsha is from Bengaluru. And
Hi.
meet Nina
Hi.
Hi.
from Mumbai.
Hi.
And yeah, so what do you do? You saw the picture in the WhatsApp you got? So make the Eiffel Tower like this. So it's like
Hmm.
A. Observe me here. So just somewhat like this. And then A. Draw A.
Hmm.
And if you observe closely the painting, what you see is it's the Eiffel Tower and the clouds and the sky behind
Okay.
it, and the
Okay.
sky and little bit of leaves, green leaves fallen, and it is also the fall season. Orange, red,
Okay.
and yellow color leaves are fallen on the Eiffel Tower, and on the background it's all the sky.
Oh.
Okay. So first
Hmm.
draw the Eiffel Tower. After that, you use all this, get all these colors. So what are the colors we need to draw to make the dot art with for Eiffel Tower? Go to your WhatsApp first.
Hmm. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
give,
Yeah. Blue color. Yeah. Blue, yellow, orange,
yeah, blue.
orange, red.
So in the sky is the blue, and little bit here and there yellow means the bright sun, and a few green leaves have fallen, few yellow leaves have also fallen. And on the Eiffel Tower, it is typically, if you observe, it is red, orange, and yellow color.
Yellow.
And on the floor, on the ground, lot of red leaves and yellow leaves and orange leaves. And start usually the painting always you start from the top to the
Top.
bottom,
Okay.
center to outside. Okay, and dot art you have to be very careful. Don't be hurry because you may end.
Hmm. Yeah. End up mixing together and all that. You have to make it separate. Yeah.
And the main key here is do it very slowly because each dot should not touch each other.
And
That
the dot should be open from inside, or if it is closed, also will do.
no closed dots. Now you
Closed dots.
straight away go doing with the colors, right?
Yeah.
When you do with the colors, it's a normal, like you have to dip it in the color. You use the dot art tool, any of this tool of your
Yeah.
favorite.
Yeah. Yeah.
Dip it and see this is the biggest tool. Yeah, Varsha, this is the biggest and this is the smallest. Now if you want the deep meditation, use the smallest tool. Okay, of course there are different patterns also you can do. So if you do the biggest means your painting will be done in next 5 minutes, 10 minutes.
Oh.
Okay.
I
And
didn't get, but that biggest one, I could
also
not get that.
Amazon,
I got the smaller one.
that's also fine, that's also fine.
Yeah, today it is going to come actually. He told me he'll bring it today.
Yeah.
So,
And if you don't have any of these tools, you can even use the earbuds. You can also do
okay.
this.
Okay.
Maybe the sizes will slightly vary, but you can already start off your journey, healing journey through dot mandala art and deep meditation. Okay?
Yeah.
All right, Neema, start.
And this is in A4 size paper.
A4
Right?
size. And,
Yeah.
and painting, you have to also see, because this is a tall Eiffel Tower, it
Yeah.
has to be like this. If you make on this, it'll look, it will just not look.
No. Yeah, it'll not look good.
Yeah.
It'll not come nice. Yeah.
But modern art or abstract art, Eiffel Tower can be like this.
We are not MF Hussain.
No problem. Because
It is great.
yeah, I am into abstract painting, and you
Okay,
can
okay.
create, do anything, and that's your creation. Okay? Right.
Yeah.
Tina, how much? किती झालं तुझं?
Okay.
Acha. Nice. Nice. Continue, continue. Orange color, Nina and Varsha, you need orange color, so you have to mix red and yellow. Yeah, little bit red, little bit yellow, you get orange.
actually I've done like this.
One second.
Huh.
ಹೇಳಿ. ನೈಸ್, ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್. ಈಗ ಇದು ಐಫಲ್ ಟವರ್ ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. ಲೆಟ್ ಇಟ್.
ಹ್ಮ್.
ಸೊ ದ ಏರಿಯಾ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಆನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಈಚೆ ಕಡೆ ಟರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್
ಹ್ಮ್.
ಸೈಡ್ ಆರ್ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್
ಹ್ಮ್.
ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ಬ್ಲೂ ಕಲರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್
ಹ್ಮ್.
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಡಾರ್ಕ್ ಬ್ಲೂ ಒಂದು ಲೈಟ್ ಬ್ಲೂ ಆ ಥರ 2 ಕಲರ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ಫಸ್ಟ್
ಅದು
ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್
ಲೈಟ್ ಬ್ಲೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ.
ಲೈಟ್ ಬ್ಲೂ, ನೀವು ಎನಿ ಕಲರ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಲೈಟ್, ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವೈಟ್ ಕಲರ್.
ಲಿಟಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವೈಟ್ ಕಲರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ.
ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್.
ಹ್ಮ್.
ರೆಡ್ ಇದು ಪಿಂಕ್
ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್.
ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ,
ಹಾ.
ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಪಿಂಕ್ ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ಮೋರ್ ವೈಟ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ರೂಲ್ ಇದು ಇದೆ,
ಹ್ಮ್. ಹ್ಮ್.
ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಡೂ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಡಾರ್ಕ್, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಕೈ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ದ
ಹ್ಮ್.
ಸ್ಕೈ ಹೌ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಗಿವನ್.
Yeah, actually it is a mix of like blue and little bit yellow and ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ green ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, green also is
ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ
there.
ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಲೀವ್ಸ್
Green
ಬಿದ್ದಿದ್ದಾವೆ.
leaves ಅಂತ. Okay.
ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಡಾರ್ಕ್ ಬ್ಲೂ ಫಸ್ಟ್.
ಹ್ಮ್.
ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ರ್ಯಾಂಡಮ್ ಇದು ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. ಸ್ಕೈಗೆ ಏನು ಇದು
ಹಾ.
ಸಿಮಿಟ್ರಿ ಏನು
ಹಾ.
ಬೇಕು,
ಹಾ.
ರ್ಯಾಂಡಮ್ ಡಾಟ್ಸ್.
ಹ್ಮ್.
ಆಫ್ಟರ್
ಹ್ಮ್.
ದಟ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಬ್ಲೂ ಕಲರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡೂ ರ್ಯಾಂಡಮ್ ಡಾಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ರೆಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರ್ಯಾಂಡಮ್ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಇದೆ, ಲೀವ್ಸ್ ಬೀಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ,
ಗ್ರೀನು ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಇದೆ
ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಇದೆ ಆ ಥರ
ಹಾ.
ಮಾಡಿ. ಬಟ್
ಹಾ.
ಈ ಹೋಲ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದರೆ ಓ ಸ್ಕೈ ಅಂತ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ಡಾರ್ಕ್ ಬ್ಲೂ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಬ್ಲೂ, ಡಾರ್ಕ್ ಬ್ಲೂ ಲೈಟ್ ಬ್ಲೂ.
ಹ್ಮ್. ಹೌದು.
Nina, how is it going?
Second, this thing, branch cut, second part I doing.
अच्छा, सेकंड हो गया तुम्हारा, वेरी गुड. कंटिन्यू. एंड बीच बीच में डीप ब्रीथ करना है, ओम बोलना है, बिकॉज वी हील अस, do dot mandala art, and it's a very very powerful deep meditation. When I'm into my art zone, I'm into my deepest meditation zone. मुझे पता भी नहीं है वर्ल्ड में क्या हो रहा है, मुझे कुछ भी नहीं पता होता. Because the whole idea is दिन में एक बार at least 10 to 15 minutes you have to learn to calm your mind down, send it to your favorite place. My favorite place is Switzerland, so send it on a holiday and bring it back. Daily ये काम करना है हमें.
ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्तिः 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 ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्तिः 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 ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्तिः 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 ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्तिः 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 ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्तिः 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 ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्तिः 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 ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्तिः 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 ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्तिः 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 ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्तिः 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 ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्तिः 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 ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते मुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्तिः 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 ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः
Nina, show me how is it going? Nina, are you there?
Yeah, I'm there.
So तो नहीं गए सब लोग मेडिटेशन
It'll take
करते
time.
करते आर्ट
I
एज
think
मेडिटेशन चलो लेट जाते हैं
somewhere it is like blotting. Why like that?
ಏನಪ್ಪ
It is blotting.
it is blotting, yeah, you have to practice little
Yeah, that's what.
for that
Little your face.
you have to practice and leave space.
Yeah,
It
right.
will take some time to get a hang of it, but that's all right. Little bit blotting is also okay.
Okay.
Later, if you're really, really particular, let it dry and then little bit white color, you touch it up in between.
Okay.
But for now, don't worry. Just continue.
Yeah.
And you can't lift also, na, because
No, that's what. It's all coming down.
it'll come down. Don't do that.
Yeah.
Just make sure that the dot don't touch each other.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Yes,
And
yes.
this comes from more and more from practice.
Yes. Yeah, that's true. Because we are not habituated to that, no?
Yes,
Dotting.
yes.
And I did with
The
that.
normal brush, it should be like, everywhere and all. Here, main thing is you shouldn't touch and focus. That's why the more focus and concentration you need.
And is it that big dots also come in between? Why is that so?
Which ones? Sorry, I
Big
didn't.
dots also come with that same thing, big dots.
See,
Or it has to be equal dots.
it can be different shape and size. Every paint has a different idea, purpose.
Yeah.
And so, like for example, you can do with this big dot or with the small dots. Up to you.
Hmm. Okay. Hmm.
Okay, continue.
Yeah. It'll take time.
Yeah, it takes time.
Yeah.
That's the whole idea. Hurry.
Yeah, that's true.
This painting, my family portrait, almost
Oh wow, that behind.
yeah.
Very beautiful.
More than 6 weeks, because see, every section
Yes,
I
it
do,
is so
and then
clear.
I had to wait till it dries up and then continue. So it took me more than 6 weeks.
It's very beautiful.
Thank you. It was for my husband's 50th birthday. I had
Wow.
made.
And it has come straight in line.
Yeah.
Not a single this has gone wrong. Wow. It doesn't look like but it is like looking like painting. The dots are not looking so much clear. So exact, accurate it is.
It is.
Very beautiful.
Thank you.
That will take time for us, of course.
You will get there. It's easy.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah,
For Rupa, actually, I used a little bit of brush for the blue thing, light blue.
that's also fine. It's you can make a mix and match of that as well. That's fine. You
That's
took a
fine.
brush
I
and
used,
did like that. That's also
yeah, I used a brush. I'm using brush, so
that's also good. Okay, anything is okay. It's your creation. It's your creation.
okay.
ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय वशिष्यते ॐ शान्तिः 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 ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्तिः 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 ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्तिः 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 ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्तिः 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 ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्तिः 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 ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्तिः 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 ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्तिः 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 ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्तिः 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 ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्तिः 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 ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्तिः 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 ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ
शीना, केवढं संपलं तुझं?
शान्तिः शान्तिः ॐ
बघू.
I have done that A shape. Now A shape, last one yellow line is left.
That's good.
Orange and red. Yeah.
That's good. Lena,
I
now you
can't
can
think
take any other color and continue, complete the whole
Yeah.
tree,
Yeah.
and then you have to write your name and date. Most importantly, date.
Yeah.
Any creation has to have a completion date. And
Yeah.
खालती sign कर आणि date टाक संपल्यावर.
Okay.
आणि
Okay.
complete संपल्यावर फोटो घालून त्या
Oh,
ग्रुप.
oh, okay. Okay.
ठीक आहे?
So, yeah.
Okay.
Signature is very important, and
Yes.
date of creation is very important. And then slowly you start, Lena, you start buying this .org tools असतात ना, हे बघ,
हा.
हे सगळे tools असे असे वेगळे वेगळे tools मिळतात. So
हा, हो.
Amazon you start ordering and okay. And
Okay.
then असे फेविक्रिलचे 12चा एक सेट कलर्सचा.
हा, हा.
आणि later, to start with the 2-3 options which I'm sharing, everybody can also observe. This is called as card sheet.
Card sheet. Okay.
Card sheet असते असे thick. That you can have some of those. And असे माझ्याकडे मोठे मोठे आहेत, असे boards मिळतात.
Okay.
Can you see? These are boards for art. So initially you get a small one, 10 by 10 size. Chota sa. Start with small, then you get confidence and you also have to practice. And then after that you can keep purchasing different sizes. आणि ह्याच्यावर canvas हे असलेला एक मिळतो. It's called canvas on board. Canvas on board.
That I got. I got different sizes.
You got different sizes. Oh, Nina has got very good. And then this is stretched canvas on frame. As a frame asto. So with this, what happens? See that painting? What I've done? The painting. It is on this kind of a thing. So where you can, once you complete it, you can straight away hang it.
Okay, we get it ready-made like that.
All these are available on Amazon. Everything.
Okay.
See, this is called as canvas on board. Canvas on board on frame. You have to search for. And never suddenly buy a big one, then I think that's not the way to start. Small frames you get. And you also get round shape.
Okay, round.
Mandala mein bahut beautiful design.
Yeah, round shape MDF boards I have
MDF
purchased.
boards are available. Exactly.
So for that actually we need to paint the black color and then we can start.
Yeah. I will typically black, and the black is the background, and then you have to do, and you can do other colors as well. But black, when you do, it looks nicer. Then you can, these are the colorful mugs I have. You can get again on Amazon. But if you have any direct vendors and all that, you have to search on your own. So, and you can also, like this is a jewelry box you can get. So you can paint that. ऐसे ज्वेलरी बॉक्स है, तो उसको बाहर से मैं शुरू किया है, तो आई कंप्लीट दिस होल डॉट आर्ट ऑन दिस.
This is cardboard.
हाँ, ये दिस इज MDF.
Okay.
So all this is like personalized gift. So the majority of my friends get a happy birthday and some nicely designed dot art gift for me from me. And you can also make all these, like it's a base, like these are coasters and this is a tray, है ना. So ये सब एक एक करके बाद में धीरे धीरे करके ये कोई गिफ्ट आया था मेरे हस्बैंड को. It had some ties and some tie pins and all in this. I said give me, I need this box. So मेरा दिमाग उसी में चलता है. So this is the next project मेरा. And most importantly, deep meditation, deep healing, and create. Okay, right. Thank you and complete.
Thank you.
Take your time, but ऐसा नहीं कि शुरू किया अगले साल complete किया, ये नहीं करना है. Take your time, but make sure you complete. And most importantly, relax, deep breathe. अच्छा सा एक ओम मंत्र chanting, अच्छा सा soothing music. Okay, and put your date and signature. Yeah. All right. Thank you so much. See you next week.
Thank you.
Bye.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, Rupa, Yeah, this is so much I have completed.
Oh, nice, nice, very nice. Clouds. Now, once you do the light blue color, that is when it is going
Uh,
to be visible more like a
yeah,
cloud in
yeah,
the sky. You know,
yeah, yeah.
looking nice. And take a picture and share it in the group. And
Yeah, sure,
watch your
sure.
hand, ನಿಮ್ ಕೈಯೆಲ್ಲ ಕಲರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ.
ಹೌದೌದು ಕಲರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. It's like smudge ಆಗಿದೆ. I need to wash my hand.
Yes. All right. Take
Yeah.
care. See you next week.
Thank you.
Bye,
Yeah.
everyone.
Bye
Thank
bye.
you. Thank
Thank
you
you.
so much.
Thank you so
Bye.
much. Bye.